guys, it's your girl Seynt here from leseynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram, so stay tuned. If you're new here, I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So let's open up our Instagram app. If you tap onto the right hand corner of the app, you then be able to access all your DMs, and we're just going to create a new message, and I'm just going to send this message to my other account. So I'm just gonna tap onto that camera icon. I'm just gonna take a photo, and you've got a selection at the bottom that says view once, allow replay, keep in chat. So we're going to allow replay in this scenario. So I'm just going to hit send. So now I'm gonna go to my other account and show you what it looks like. And as you can see here, one message has come through, and then open it up and then select view photo, and then you're allowed to view it again, and I think for the third time, yep, so you can only view it twice, and that's it. The photo now has disappeared. So that's a quick tutorial, guys. If you have any questions for me, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.